So here I want to create an animal face. I've decided to do a dog. So I'm flattening my clay with the palm of my hands a little bit, then rolling it out between the guides. The guides allow me to have the clay even thickness throughout. So I've got a nice equal design on here. So I'm getting 2 circle cutters and creating a large and small circle on there. I'm smoothing the edges of my clay with a little bit of water, scratch, slip to assemble it on there. So just press down to get in place. Here I'm cutting the ear shapes, that kind of U shape, and putting it on top of one another to make sure I've got both ears cut out on there. To do the eyes, I'm rolling up 2 balls of clay and flattening them with my fingers. So scratch and slip again to hold it together, and then a tiny ball of clay and pressing them down with my thumb, scratch and slip again. Putting them in place, and I'm doing 2 little dots to create the eyes on there. Here I'm cutting the shape for the nose. Once I've got the shape for the nose, scratch and slip, press it in place. Okay, so here I'm going to do the mouth. So I'm creating some ropes of clay. I just realized that my nose is a little bit low, so I've moved it up on there. Some thin ropes, so just roll them between the palms of your hands and create a couple of thin ropes of clay. Same again, scratch, slip, stick in place. And create a little bit of texture on there. So here I'm sticking the ears in and pushing them in to blend in and curling them up to create the ears of my dog. So push it in, curl them up. Once you've finished, you can really dip your fingers in a little bit of water and smooth the clay on your design. Then here with my comb, I'm creating a little bit of texture on the ears, and that's it.